I would say what sets us apart is a genuine care and concern for our clients. It starts from the day that we meet, explaining the information in a transparent way, helping our clients to really navigate the pros and cons of solar, the benefits you might see from the savings, how that's going to look. And then also, very importantly, the process, right? It's usually somewhat of a lengthy process, usually anywhere from 6 weeks to 3 months, depending on your location. But that is probably, I would say, the core focus is making sure that the client is informed, does have the correct set expectations, both during the project and after the project. Having that person to call in 6 months or 6 years down the road when you have a question. So it's nice to have that resource and to have the confidence that someone's going to be there for you, in the long run.